Before you buy a non-cash flowing rental, have a listen. Many first-time investors calculate their prospective deal with best-case numbers. Full occupancy, no repairs, no management, and no surprises. The reality is a vacancy, repair bill, or change in tenancy laws can fully derail your investment. That's what happens when the assumptions were too optimistic going in. Here's the 5 things many first-time deals are missing before they close. 1. A vacancy buffer. Even great properties sit empty between tenants. Budget 5 to 8% of annual rent minimum. 2. Maintenance and repairs. Budget roughly 1% of property value per year. It feels conservative until the roof or water heater goes. 3. Property management. Even if you self-manage now, add the cost of hiring a manager to your calculations so you can be sure the deal works, even if your life changes. 4. Capital expenditure reserves. A new roof, HVAC, flooring, and appliances should all be planned for in advance. And lastly, 5. Real insurance and tax numbers, not just estimates. Get actual quotes. These 2 line items alone can shift a deal from cash flowing to barely breaking even.